All right, we got POV.
POV right here in the Durango SRT rear guts.
Suede headliner, everything you could imagine.
Oh no! Oh, I was gonna come out like you, shit. You don't want us to come out like them, though. We trying to come out like them. They ain't fucking with us.
Primo. Oh.
That bitch.
EMO.
Turn around right here.
Downshift.
Look how much dust we kicking up in the back of that bitch.
All right, now, how long? Oh wait, this street ain't long enough. Okay. Oh yeah, right there. Is it in manual?
Yeah, that bitch in manual.
Okay, yeah. Now downshift it to 2. Okay, it's on 2. Nah, damn, he in already. Hit shift up. Keep going. It's up shifting after that. Ooh. I can't wait to do my shit. Cause
of what you said, get to the quarter down. It said 3 down that bitch.
Yeah, up. Cause you downshift to your lowest gear possible, and then after that, it's gonna snatch, and then you going all up. Shift up. I
can't do it, sir. I gotta keep it in dry.
Bro, good.
You gonna have to teach me. Y'all gonna have to teach me that shit. I'm trying to get the catch. So you say you start off, then you do that bitch up, then you down.
No, yeah. See, you.
Sometimes you gotta watch who on your team.
Glocks and ARs came with beams. Niggas, they be faking, they be snakes, I always peep the scene. 16, nigga, we was wearing Supreme. Back then, shit was green.
Never.
You put the flow masters in that bitch. Come on there. Flow masters, come on down. Get the 305 on here. Put the 4 the 44
This ain't gonna fucking sound like no goddamn V6.
Man, you think it's a 392?
Look, he's saying.
Over there talking shit.
This bitch is an RT with scat bash. V8 stands for V cylinder.
V8. Stop playing. I can't wait to throw you on here, Rob.
My baby got that. He ain't got that bitch straight piped. Y'all gotta come tap in with my boys at Muffler, man. Come down, man. Tap in with them boys, man. We doing big things in the ski. Yeah, you gotta debash this bitch, though. Yeah. He talking about little son over there. Look at him. He talking about a little son over there. Little 4-out man talking about little son. See, is he gonna throw that bitch? Hey, y'all gotta tell him throw that bitch. Throw that bitch. We gonna see if he throw that bitch like Big Cuz. He better throw that bitch like Big Cuz. He gonna throw that bitch or what? Is this bitch a scat or what? Is this bitch a wide body? What he gonna do, y'all? You hear that bitch chopping, but is he gonna throw that bitch? Okay. He threw that bitch. Man, we tuned in on the live, man. We on the camera, man. We in this real good. You see this shit blooded out, niggas? And, man, this ain't your average 392. You see that bitch redded up. Everything red. And we got that. What up? Okay. That bitch.
Good muffler delete, man. Oh my God. This bitch yelling. Oh my goodness. I love how this bitch sound. Look at the dump. From a dig. We throwing them bitches.
I'm mellow when she talk to me. Screaming hello, finna give her elbow, cause I'm off the lean. And talking sheep, gotta have a couple zeros when you talk to me. Big old 30, feel like Stephen Curry, pulling up from deep.
I'm gon' always fucking dot my eyes, don't get put on no T. If we cross the line, there's no discussion. Bro, DEAD. I be dead ass living what I rap. This shit ain't CAP. This life, it don't get easy, it get harder like the SAT. My bitch left, I'm back on weed. Left my bitch, she said she don't give a fuck, but she just called last week. Never lay down back against that wall, leave that shit for the week. She looking at my life from outside in, she just won't come
They
and
gon' come
see.
pick me up, cuz they go.